We have several GPS trackers which I'm going to talk about today. We're actually a subdivision of SpySpot. I'm going to tell you about how to use each device as well as the software for each device too. The first device I'm going to talk about is our MicroTracker. This is a portable device that has a water resistant design, and it also has a motion detection feature too. This will give you 2.5 weeks of battery life, and you can place it anywhere inside a vehicle, person, or any asset. We also have a wall charger for this device as well, which you could use to charge it inside a wall outlet. And we have a carry pouch, which can be used to hold the device, as well as you could use this for jewelry or any other valuables. You can just put it right inside the suitcase and find out when jewelry's been moved or tampered with. We also sell a magnetic clip, which just hooks onto the back of the MicroTracker. And then this just snaps into place, and you can place this on the top side of the frame of any vehicle, or you can just put this on any magnetic surface as well. The other device we have is our vehicle charger. This installs in the cigarette lighter of the vehicle. This could either be found in the trunk, or it could be found in the front of the car by the console. Another device we have is our hardwire power kit. This hooks into the tracker, and then the other end is hardwired into the car itself, so it keeps the battery of the tracker charged right through the car. We also have an extended battery. This just goes right into this Pelican case. You plug the tracker right into the battery, and it also has a magnet on the bottom too. This will give you 3 months of extended battery use, and it's also rechargeable too. We have an OBD2 tracker, which goes in the OBD2 port of any vehicle. It's a small device, installs within seconds. The OBD2 port's normally found directly under the steering column. This device will give you 1-minute updates, and it runs off the battery of the car itself. You just plug it directly into the port, and we also sell a Y cable for it as well. The Y cable is used to better hide the device, as well as to keep the port open in case you need to get it serviced. To install it, what you would do is you would pop out the OBD2 port out of your vehicle. Then you would plug the actual OBD tracker into one end of the female cable, and then the other end would go where the original OBD2 port was, and then the male end would go where where you popped out the original OBD2 port. That would plug into this end. Now we also have a hardwire tracker, which is also known as a kill switch. This installs behind the dashboard, provides updates every 1 minute, and will tell you when the ignition's on or off. This could be installed in any local Best Buy or any local audio shop as well. And we also have a relay for this, which could kill the ignition remotely from anywhere around the world. This is a diagram to show you how to install the device. And now I'm going to tell you about our software. For our GPS software, the first thing you're going to see is a login screen. From here you could choose if you're on a personal computer, iPhone, Android, smartphone, an iPad, or a tablet. There's no installation for our software. Then once logged in, you're going to be able to view the battery life. This will let you know if you need to charge your GPS tracker. Then you're going to see a map view of the device. You'll see a little green dot indicator to let you know where your device currently is. You just click on that dot and it will give you the exact address. You could also get a hybrid view, and you can get a satellite view as well, which provides an aerial view. And you could zoom in to see all the buildings, beaches, and just the general surrounding area. And you could also get a street level view, which will let you know everything that's nearby, so you could pinpoint the exact location of your GPS tracking device. On the dashboard, you'll be able to go back up to a year, so you can just choose a date from up to a year and get an all events report for that day. And you could also see the miles per hour traveled as well. The other option you have is the ability to set up perimeters from this screen. Our breadcrumb trail is a visual display of the all events report. So it'll provide a start and finish visual of your device for that day. You just choose a time period which you would like to get a report of. The other option you have with our trackers is you could set up alerts to notify you by text message and or email of when the device is in motion, when it reaches a certain perimeter or exits a perimeter, when it reaches an excessive speed, hard braking, as well as other features you want to be notified of. You could track multiple vehicles at once. This is perfect for fleet tracking and for employers who want to keep track of all their employees. National coverage for our GPS trackers are $29.95 per month, and you have worldwide coverage is also available. And these are GPS tracking devices.